I have a link down below on
Hello ladies, welcome to Discovering Natural. My name is Abiola and I'm coming from my channel, ItsAbeeyola. This video is a collaboration with myself and Discovering Natural, Shola, where we are showing you our take on yarn twists, something we have both never done before. So I have no idea what she's got in store for you, but I'm sure it's going to be amazing. So I think stay tuned, watch her channel. When you're done, you can head over to my channel, ItsAbeeyola, where I will show you my take on yarn twists and the final results.
For this style, I'm going to be using something I've never put in my hair before. So come on, let's go get it. So to do my hair, I'm going to be using yarn on my hair. I have a link down below on where I get my yarn, and I'm going to be using black yarn. My hair is 1B. This yarn is really black, and I'm going to be doing yarn twist. So yeah, I think we can get started now. And I am nervous. I'm very nervous, but let's go. Let's just start. Okay. So this is the length of the yarn that I'm going to be using. You can see it's not so equal. So what you want to do is you want to guide at the top. And this is my first time doing this, so I'm learning as you guys are learning. And you see right here, I notice that it's not as equal. So I'm just going to flip it around and try to cut everything so that they're all equal. Like that. Let's cut it. Okay, and I'm going to just part of this section. I'm going to do the front for you all to see, and then I'm going to work on the back later on. So let's pack this away. I'm going to spray a little bit of my Kadima leave-in conditioner just to hydrate it just a little bit. For my hair butter, of course, if you know, I always use the Kadima hair butter. This is my Kadima cocoa and mango butter. A little bit of that. Put that to the length of my hair. Okay. And then I'm going to use my Kadima aloe vera, 100% aloe vera gel. This is an organic gel, so it's just like using aloe vera from the plant. So I'm taking a bit of that. I'm gonna put it in my hair. Take some, put it to the root of my hair. And of course detangle my hair really well. So for the yarn, the length I'm going for is about this length. So just this length right here. So I'm gonna start off. So this is, I'm gonna take it. I'm taking about 4 strands. I want to say about 4 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strands of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So 4 strands of this, and making it equal. And I'm going to split this also into 2, like this. Okay. I was thinking of starting off with a braid. I'm taking this one over here, I'm splitting into 3, and I'm going to, should I start off with a braid? Okay, let me see if I can do it with a twist first. So let's try this. I've not done just straight from a twist in a while. I've never used extension in my hair for a while, so this is where I'm gonna struggle. So I'm taking it in the middle like this, and I'm taking my hair, joining my hair with the extensions, and then wrapping the extensions, putting the extensions in my, holding it tight in the middle, and then just wrapping my hair with it like that. You guys see, I'm just wrapping my hair really tightly with it like that. So if you wonder how am I going to finish it up at the ends. I was wondering that too. So at the very ends of my hair, I'm putting a little bit of gel so that the hair kind of locks in with the yarn. And you can see, you don't see any hair poking out. And at the very end of it, when I just have yarn only, I could tie a knot to it, but I really don't want to. So I'm going to just grab one elastic rubber band. Let me see if I can grab a rubber band like this. And I'm going to put that rubber band at the end. Everyone, I am done and I'm gonna stand up right now and show you the length. So this is the length that I have the yarn twist as, and this is what it looks like. I think I did a good job for my first time. There's no hair sticking out. It's pretty clean. It took me about 4 hours to do. And this is the back, if I can get it right, okay? So this is the back of it. This is how long it is in the back. So now this is the issue. Let's talk. So this is the issue. I have these ends and the ends are all sticking out like this. I was gonna put beads at the ends. The color of this yarn is actually not black. The color is almost like, what's the color? It says black, but I don't think it's black because sometimes I look at it and it has like a tint of green or gray in it. I don't know, but I still like it. Anyway, this was in this day and era when everything is scarce. This was the only one I could find. So I was gonna put beads at the ends, and I told my daughters, and my daughters were like, "Mom, no beads." They don't want me to look young, forever young, forever young, forever young. Okay, let me control myself. Okay, so if you don't know, I have a family channel called DN Vlogs Life. So if you want to see me go crazy and dance and speak Yoruba, and shakara, do my shakara there, go and join me, okay? Go visit DN Vlogs Life. So I'm gonna just take it. I think I'm just gonna cut it at the end. I don't want to bond the tip because you know you can bond the tip, but what I find is that when you bond the tip, it snags. So I don't know if you guys have a suggestion of what I can do to the end. Let me know, but for now I'm just gonna cut it like this. So I've finished cutting off the ends and I just left it this way until I figure out what I'm going to do with it. And I do like it. It's very light, it's not heavy at all. I didn't even finish one pack. I didn't finish one pack of yarn. I still have a lot left. So you don't need a lot of yarn. Yarn doesn't cost that much. I believe, did it cost me $2? And I didn't even finish half of it. So yeah, so if you're interested in doing this, please do something different. Try something different. I mean, this year has been different all on its own. Okay, so if you enjoyed this, feel free to watch our other videos, and please go to my sister's video channel, Abiola. Check her out. She has amazing hairstyle. That girl is golden, and you know, and her fingers are golden, and I can't wait to collaborate with her again. I think me and now we're gonna be like, you guys are gonna be seeing more of us, okay? More of us in the future by God's grace. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.